Ever wondered how those cool DIY electronics projects come to life? The secret ingredient might just be Arduino programming. This versatile tool is the beating heart of countless electronic creations. An open-source platform, Arduino is based on user-friendly hardware and software, making it accessible for beginners and powerful for seasoned coders. It breathes life into the gadgets we create, the robots we build, and the interactive art we design. Arduino programming is a key player in the world of DIY electronics, but do you know what it's really capable of? The reach of Arduino programming is vast and exciting. It's not just for the tech gurus, but for anyone with a dash of curiosity and creativity. Imagine transforming your home into a smart one, where lights flicker on at your command or the temperature adjusts to your preference. This is no longer a luxury exclusive to high-end residences, all thanks to Arduino programming. Consider the field of robotics, where Arduino has become a mainstay. From creating simple moving robots to complex machines capable of intricate tasks, Arduino has democratized the process. Even art has embraced this technology. Interactive installations, where spectators become part of the artwork, are now possible through the application of Arduino programming. Arduino programming has removed the barrier of complexity, making these once intimidating projects accessible to anyone. So, as you can see, Arduino programming is not only versatile, but also a gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Now that you've seen the wonders of Arduino programming, you might be wondering, how can I get involved? Well, there's a whole world of online resources and communities ready to welcome you into the fold. From beginner's guides to advanced hacks, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your very own electronic projects come to life. With Arduino programming, you're not just learning a new skill, you're opening doors to a world of innovation. So why not start today?